The tech world was abuzz. Whispers of Oppo's latest flagship phone, the Find X8 5G, had everyone talking. Now, it's finally here. This sleek device promises innovation at its finest. With its cutting-edge technology and elegant design, it's set to make waves in the smartphone market. From its powerful processor to its stunning camera system, the Find X8 5G is ready to redefine what a flagship phone can be. The advanced AI capabilities and enhanced performance ensure that users get the best experience possible. This isn't just another phone launch, it's a significant moment in the tech industry. This is Oppo making a statement that they are here to innovate and lead the market with groundbreaking technology. Let's dive in and see what it's all about. The Find X8 5G comes in a premium box as expected. Inside, you'll find the phone itself, a clear protective case, a USB-C cable, and a SUPERVOOC charger. The inclusion of these accessories ensures that users have everything they need right out of the box. Oppo clearly put thought into the unboxing experience. Every detail, from the packaging to the accessories, has been meticulously designed to enhance the user experience. It feels like you're unwrapping a luxury product. The attention to detail is evident, making the unboxing process a delight. The phone itself is stunning. Its sleek and modern design is both aesthetically pleasing and functional. It's sleek and modern, with a design that feels both premium and comfortable to hold. The materials used are top-notch, ensuring durability and a premium feel. The hype surrounding this phone is palpable. Tech enthusiasts and reviewers are buzzing with excitement. Tech reviewers and enthusiasts everywhere are eager to get their hands on it, and for good reason. The Find X8 5G promises to deliver on all fronts, from performance to design. Oppo has a history of pushing boundaries and delivering exceptional user experiences. Their previous flagship phones have set high standards, and the Find X8 5G is no exception. The Find X8 5G is poised to continue that legacy. With its innovative features and top-tier performance, it's set to be a game-changer in the smartphone industry. It's a phone that demands attention and promises to deliver on its bold claims. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just someone looking for a reliable and stylish smartphone, the Find X8 5G is sure to impress. Under the hood of the Oppo Find X8 5G lies the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, a marvel of modern engineering. This is a beast of a processor, designed for ultimate performance, pushing the boundaries of what a smartphone can do. What does this mean for you? Everything is faster and smoother, from everyday tasks to the most demanding applications. Apps launch in a snap, almost instantaneously, making your interactions with the device feel seamless and intuitive. Games run at buttery smooth frame rates, providing an immersive experience that rivals dedicated gaming consoles. Multitasking is a breeze, allowing you to switch between apps without any lag. But it's not just about raw power. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 is also incredibly efficient, ensuring that you get the best performance without compromising on battery life. This translates to longer battery life and less heat generation, so you can use your phone for extended periods without worrying about overheating or frequent charging. Oppo has paired this powerful chipset with up to 16 GB of RAM, ensuring that the phone can handle even the most demanding tasks with ease. This combination of high-performance hardware means that whether you're editing videos, playing graphics-intensive games, or running multiple apps simultaneously, the Find X8 5G won't break a sweat. Whether you're a gamer, a power user, or just someone who wants a phone that can keep up with their busy life, the Find X8 5G delivers on all fronts. Oppo has clearly prioritized speed and efficiency in the Find X8 5G, making it a top choice for anyone looking for a high-performance smartphone. The combination of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset and ample RAM ensures a smooth and lag-free user experience no matter what you throw at it. This phone is built for those who demand the best performance, and it certainly delivers, providing a user experience that is both powerful and efficient. With the Oppo Find X8 5G, you're not just getting a smartphone, you're getting a powerhouse that can handle anything you need whenever you need it. From work to play, this device is designed to keep up with your lifestyle, ensuring that you stay connected, productive, and entertained. Section 3. Photography prowess, capturing moments in exquisite detail. When it comes to display, the Oppo Find X8 5G truly shines. With its vibrant colors and sharp resolution, every image and video looks stunning. It's like having a mini cinema right in your pocket. So, is the Oppo Find X8 5G worth the upgrade? Well, it depends on what you're looking for in a smartphone. If you're looking for a phone with a top-notch display, impressive camera capabilities, and 5G connectivity, then this might just be the perfect choice for you. The Oppo Find X8 5G offers a stunning display that makes watching videos and playing games a delight. Its camera system is designed to capture high-quality photos and videos, making it ideal for photography enthusiasts. Additionally, the 5G connectivity ensures that you have fast internet speeds wherever you go, which is great for streaming and browsing. However, if you're content with your current device and don't need the latest features, you might want to wait. Sometimes, sticking with what you have can be the best decision, especially if your current phone still meets your needs. Upgrading can be exciting, but it's important to consider whether the new features are truly necessary for you. Ultimately, the decision is yours. Take your time to weigh the pros and cons before making a choice.